Namaste. I am Dr. Shaima Kadri from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics, and today in this video we are going to discuss about Milwaukee Press. Milwaukee Press is kind of spinal orthosis, as we discussed before about spinal orthosis, about cervical orthosis. So here the another spinal orthosis is Milwaukee Press. This is the part of the program BPT 7 STEM course named Bioengineering. So let's start with Milwaukee Press. Uh, the Milwaukee Press is an active corrective spinal orthosis. It consists of a neck ring with a taut mold and two occipital pads to avoid a high pressure in the neck. Other elements are a plastic pelvic girdle, aluminum uprights, leather L-shaped thoracic pads, and metal bars in the front and in the back. The indication of using the Milwaukee Press are a Milwaukee Press used in the treatment of postural disorder like idiopathic scoliosis or another disease. The breast is normally prescribed for children with a postural disorder who have not reached their growth spurt or who are in their fast growing period. It is not used for adults or adolescents already beyond their growth spurt, as it will have no effect. It is especially recommended in cases where there is fear of deterioration during the growth spurt and adolescent. If the spinal curve has a curved angle between 20° and 40°, it is an indication to use a brace. Under this curve angle interval, the curve of the patient stay under observation. Above this interval, surgeons will intervene rather than wear a brace. Principle and technique of the brace. The brace consists of pelvic corset, thoracic pad, neck ring, rib pressure pad. The pelvic corset fits snugly over the iliac crest, around the waist, and covers upwards in front to support the abdomen. It is cut lower at the side to avoid pressure on the costal margin. It also keeps the pelvis in posterior tilt position, decreasing the lumbar lordosis. An excess in lumbar lordosis is often seen in scoliosis patients. The metal bars are attached to the leather pelvic corset to form a base from which one anterior and two posterior metal uprights pass upward to a ring around the neck. The ring is inclined at 20° to the horizontal. The uprights are adjustable to allow for growth. The throat mold is placed just under the chin. If it fits well, it does not touch the mandible. Its aim is to remind the patient to retract the chin and keep the head posteriorly against the occipital pad. The action of the pelvic girdle and the throat mold together keeps the head centered over the pelvis. Rib rotation is corrected by a pressure pad located over the rib prominence. The pressure pad is fixed to a single heavy bowed leather strap which is attached to the upright at the desired level by sub-fascigans. The other leather strap is passed over the posterior bar on the convex side so that the pressure is applied directly from the lateral side. Aim of the brace. The Milwaukee breast is used for conservative treatment of postural disorder. Its aim is to keep the body upright and sorry, keep the body upright and prevent progression of the curve while the patient is growing and awaiting possible need for operative intervention. Conservative management goals of scoliosis are to stop curve progression at puberty, prevent or treat respiratory dysfunction, prevent or treat spinal pain, improve anesthetics. It is important to note that not everyone achieves a permanent correction. It can be possible that the breast is effective when the patient is breast, but when the patient stops wearing the breast, the curve can revert back to its original shape. Brace program. It is recommended to wear the Milwaukee brace 23 hours a day. The 1 hour that the child spends out of the brace should be spent during exercise. Studies have proven that this protocol is effective for the conservative treatment of adults and idiopathic scoliosis. It is important that the breast is checked and adjusted regularly while the child is growing and the curve correction progresses. The program stops when skeleton maturity is achieved and if the curve is under control. The process of stopping the breast program should be done gradually and followed carefully. If there is any sign of the curve deteriorates, the patient should wear the breast again and before. Activities and exercises are recommended as possible in the breast. Sports are also recommended, but the patient should avoid contact sports where the breast can be harmful for the opponent. The protocol has been shown to have psychological and body image issue on the patient. Some patients wear their brace a lot less than in recommended. Instead of 23 hours a day, they wear it for 25 hours only. The physiotherapy management are the promotion of normal movement, activities, and sports should be focus of physiotherapy intervention. A holistic approach should be undertaken and not just focus on the management of scoliosis. Physiotherapy aims maintain flexibility, self-correcting posture, stability, and stabilizing the correct posture, patient education, training in activities of daily living. Exercises can include stretches and flexibility, specific strengthening of trunk and core muscles, posture management and retraining, spinal stabilization exercises. Regular intervention with physiotherapists for exercise and posture retaining can have a positive psychological impact in patients with scoliosis. Regular physiotherapy has also been shown to reduce pain scores compared with home exercise programs alone. Exercise and the use of bracing has had positive outcomes in regards to function. Pain and reducing surgery rates, specific exercises for the Milwaukee brace can be used, however, they follow similar principles to the exercise above. Manual therapy can be used, such as gentle mobilization in conjunction with stabilization exercises. There is, however, no good evidence to support manual therapy as a standalone conservative management of scoliosis. So, this was all about the Milwaukee breast. If you have any queries related to this video, ask me in comment section. This video is powered by digital version of 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. खुश रहिए।